Hey guys, your Flow Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Polynesian. Easily tell by the Pineapple Lanai. Pineapple Lanai is right outside the lobby. If you go straight through the lobby, let's pan. That's the lobby. So if you go straight through the lobby, past the Tiki God, keep going straight out those things, to your immediate left is the Pineapple Lanai. Now, a subscriber corrected me when I said this is the first place that had Dole Whips. It's the second place that had Dole Whips. But it's the best place to get Dole Whips. So, Dole Whip. What is Dole Whip? Dole Whip basically is just think of a soft serve ice cream, but with pineapple flavored ice cream. You can have it by itself. You can have it swirled with vanilla ice cream. It's outstanding. Now, Disney has gone ahead and added 1,000 flavors of Dole Whips. There's raspberry Dole Whips, and there's all kinds of Dole Whips, and they have specialty Dole Whips, and they have unique time of the year Dole Whips. End of the day, Dole Whip is about the pineapple. So that's where you get it from. Now, what is a Dole Whip? Dole Whip cost is $5.99 for a Dole Whip. That's straight for pineapple or vanilla swirl. But they also then put a rum floater. That means they put a little bit of coconut rum on top. That takes it to $13.55. You may get a float, and that goes to $6.79. With rum again, that goes to $15.50. So this is no joke. So that's where it is. They're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. But I will tell you, cautionary tale. You come here at the end of the night, this line goes out the door. If you come here at certain times, like right now, there's no line. That is so unusual, I can't even tell you. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna run up there and get ourselves a book.
Aloha.